I cannot believe we did it.
I know, we finished the game.
I want to play the DLC just because of that one last. Ellie? Our moons are awake. Thanks for coming back and finishing their job. Oh, she was in the ending, no! Can I pause it? I'm scared of pressing escape and then... Oh, he's still alive! Like, Isaac is not dead.
Who cares about Isaac?
Carver has to be there if it's like co-op.
I'm not going through 3 DLCs just so that we potentially might find Carver.
Carver has to be in there. We probably held hands and that...
It's just like,
You know,
there's like
blender.
some rock flowing by and be like, Carver, is that you? Or in like a nutcracker head.
Only one DLC. How long is a DLC, chat? 3 or 4 hours? Oh, no, multiply that by 2. We might need 2 streams then.
Normal
we need 2
speed?
streams. Yeah.
Is it 1 DLC or?
Yeah, it's just one DLC, Awakened, to get like the actual ending.
Oh, okay. For next time. DLC.
Carver's gonna be like, I don't
I'm
want to
so
go back to
angry. This game sucks.
She just yeeted herself out of existence after that one. Thank you, Chad. We couldn't have done this without you. Quite literally. Let's try that space. Hello? You should be using...
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I was just vacuuming.
What happened?
Nothing. I just thought my desk was a little dusty. That's about it. Always wanted everybody to call me One-chan. I'm gonna get demonetized.